Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing a review on my lighter, which is a Zippo replica. The reason I bought a replica is because the real Zippo cost a lot more money. And this one was only $9. What is bad about these is you have to change the wick right there. The thing in the center of it. And there's something called a flint that you have to change. But this is the flame when it's filled with gas. There it is. That's the flame. It's like a Zippo, really cool. And you have to just shut it for it to close. I'm going to show you how to refill it with the lighter fluid. After the thing's cooled down, this thing, pull it off. Should look like that. Apart from there. And you pour the oil in there. Don't put too much, just try and don't put too much oil in, right, when you open that. Don't put too much oil in, or else I did it once, and it made a huge flame, and it burnt my finger. The way you put this back in is like this. This little switch right here, this one, you can turn it so it doesn't close. So it won't close. And you just turn it back to where it will close. Thanks for watching. Leave comments and subscribe. Bye.